Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use volume buttons on your Android phone to answer calls. First, you'll need to tap on the phone icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. And you're going to select Settings. From here, you're going to tap on Answering and Ending Calls, and you'll see the option Press Volume Up to answer. You'll simply toggle this on, and that's it. So now whenever your phone receives a call, you'll simply tap on the volume button and you'll be able to answer the call. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use the volume button to answer calls on Android or Galaxy phones.